What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I am towing our, well, you can't really see, but I am towing our concrete form trailer, one of them, we have two, down to, well, I'm not going to the job, I'm going very close. I'm going around the corner from the job to my grandfather's house, and I'm gonna leave these there because we have to form some foundation walls after we pour our footing. So we kept these up at my dad's house for the winter because we weren't doing any concrete work. So I picked them up this morning and am on my way down. I'm a couple minutes away. So let me get to my grandfather's house, get this trailer dropped off, and then we will head over to the other job, which the footing inspection passed this morning. So my father is trying to get us concrete later this afternoon so we can get that done. So as long as everything goes to plan, we will be pouring concrete later. So let me get down there and I will check up with you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so we are at this footing job here, just hanging out right now, waiting on a call from the concrete company to see what time we are getting concrete. My dad is on his way here. He has a laser. We're gonna put on all the corners and just make sure everything is perfectly square, which we're pretty sure it is. So really just double checking before we pour concrete. But once that is all done, we will be ready to go. So we'll probably head to our shop and do some stuff there to kill time, unless the concrete says it is coming soon, but really don't know. So kind of just hanging out, and I will catch back up with you guys when we are ready to pour concrete. All right, so concrete just got here. I am setting up my camera here, so we will throw a time lapse on, but hopefully we can reach pretty close to this corner with our chute. We have our extra chute here that will connect to his truck, and hopefully we'll be able to get at least halfway into this footing. So I'm gonna set up the camera and I will catch up with you guys when we're done.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so we are all poured. As you can see here, they started to cut a key into it. This side obviously has to get done. Freddie is going around over there. You can barely see him right now, but he is finishing it so it's somewhat smooth, not perfect. Obviously this is buried, so it doesn't really matter. This is a grounding cable that goes to your rebar, and it'll come up in our walls. New code that they added recently, so we have to start doing that on all our jobs. This key is just so when the walls get poured on, it locks it in. Some people will put a 2x4 in there and then pull it out after they pour it, or you can dig it out like we do. So either way works. But we are just gonna go around and get this finished, and then we have some 90s of rebar that go every 3 feet right in that key, and they come up here. I'll show you real quick. So one of these will go in it like that, and this will stick up, and then the wall gets poured around this. All right, so we got all the rebar in, we got the key cut out, and we are all cleaned up. The fence is back up, ready to go. So tomorrow we will be here with a couple other guys to pull these forms off, and then we will get our form trailers up here and start forming these foundation walls. So overall, not that bad of a day today. So hopefully tomorrow goes just as smooth, although it is a lot of heavy lifting tomorrow, getting all the forms in here and off the trailer and whatnot. But overall, it shouldn't be that bad. So if you guys have any questions about this concrete work that we did, or really anything that you see, definitely leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Oh, one thing I'll mention, the rebar goes every 3 feet, so that way when our walls come up, they're tied into the footing there, and everything is all locked together. So every 3 feet they have a 1 foot bend on them, and 3 feet up, so it's about probably 4 to 6 inches in the concrete, and then the rest of it is up in the air. But that pretty much wraps up this one. Like I said, if you have any questions, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.